Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports tactical mirror set and bar clamps. The mirror and clamp are a universal fit for the Polaris, Can-Am, and Kawasaki 2 and 4 door models. Install time is about 15 minutes. Can be installed by yourself with a difficulty level of beginner. You will need this list of tools to complete the installation. So, gather the tools, and let's install. Today we are installing the DRT tactical mirrors and bar clamps on this Can-Am R 2-door model, but are a universal fit across manufacturers. First, take the strap and clip it onto the back side of the bar. Then, take the front piece, line up the grooves, and slide it into place, as you see here. Now, insert the spacer tube and Allen bolt, as shown here. Then, rotate the clamp as needed, and tighten the clamp with a 5mm Allen wrench. It is not necessary to tighten too much, as the clamp holds well, with moderate tightening. Next, grab the mirror, and as you can see, it threads into the clamp here. Now, you will need a 12mm wrench, and a 17mm on the locking nut. Make sure the locking nut is screwed all the way in before you begin threading on the mirror to the clamp. Then, thread the mirror all the way on, until it bottoms out, and then back it off slightly, so it faces the right direction. Now, with a 12mm wrench holding the mirror post, tighten down the locking nut with the 17mm wrench. Next, line up the mirror where you need it, and do a final tightening on the bar clamp. Your mirror is now installed. Now, if your mirror is still slightly loose, this is how you tighten it. First, remove the outer plate unscrewing the 4 Allen screws. The smaller ones take a 2.5mm Allen wrench, and the larger ones take a 4mm Allen wrench. Remove the screws, keeping a finger on the plate, so when removing the last screw, the plate doesn't fall. Next, remove the plug using a 6mm Allen wrench. Only the early model mirrors have this plug. Use the same 6mm Allen wrench to access the adjustment mechanism on the inside of the mirror. Then, tighten down the mechanism. If it is still too loose, use a box wrench, as shown here on the Allen wrench, to gain more tightening leverage, and tighten it a little more. Now, that the mirror is nice and tight, and won't move around, or droop out on the trails, reinsert the plug, if your mirrors have them, making sure to not go past flush with the outside of the mirror. If you screw them in too far, they will fall through into the housing, and you will have to remove the mirror itself to get it. Now, hold the plate back in place, and reinstall the Allen screws as you see here, making sure not to over-tighten. Give your mirror a final adjustment while sitting in the car, and you are good to go. Your mirror should no longer droop. Congrats, that completes your DRT tactical mirror install. These mirrors feature a wide variety of clamping options, and include our thin profile mounts that can easily be installed under windshields. The DRT proprietary pivot mechanism allows for infinite, tool-free adjustments for each rider's positioning and preference. The stainless steel plates cover the adjustable tensioning mechanism to dial in your breakaway point. These mirrors are highly customizable to match your vehicle's color scheme. Replacement components, including glass and parts, are readily available for rebuilding mirrors damaged from use. Until we meet on your next DRT install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.